On behalf of the Anderson family and the company, I'd like to welcome you today on a tour of our harvesting operation on the Great Salt Lake and our manufacturing facility here at Mineral Resources International. In 1969, my parents, Hartley and Gay Anderson's, interest was piqued by articles written by Dr. George W. Crane. He discussed the health benefits of consuming seawater due to its mineral content and balance. They began researching the Great Salt Lake, and they found that not only did the Great Salt Lake contain the same minerals as Dr. Crane discussed, but that the lake's mineral-rich waters were 6 to 10 times more concentrated than regular seawater. My parents founded the first company and began selling our now world-renowned all-natural, ionic, low-sodium concentrated mineral drops. So we've produced for you this video to give you a tour of our ponds on the north shore of the Great Salt Lake, as well as our manufacturing facility here at Mineral Resources International. You can see for yourself the quality, the time and effort, love and care that goes into the highest quality nutritional supplements based on minerals from the Great Salt Lake. The Anderson family is uniquely experienced and the originals at producing and marketing its solar evaporated food-grade ionic minerals on the Great Salt Lake. Our story begins high in Utah's Uinta and Sawtooth Mountains. Minerals from rocks, plants, and soil make their way from high mountain streams and rivers and are deposited into the Great Salt Lake, a prehistoric lake that has been gathering and concentrating minerals for millions of years. It has no outlets and is called the Great Basin. The lake is divided into two sections by a railroad dike or crossing. Rivers enter into the lake on the south end of the lake through wetlands and bird refuges. The northwestern arm of the lake is more concentrated than the south end and is virtually untouched. The Anderson family established their mineral harvesting operation on the very northern tip of the lake. Even though this location is quite a distance from anything, it offers more concentrated, pure brines. The mineral concentration process is very intricate, working with weather, temperatures, concentrations, and crystals. The work is difficult to perform. Constant supervision of the ponds and testing of the raw mineral brine is required. Only Mineral Resources International's minerals are produced using an all-natural solar evaporation and precipitation process on the Great Salt Lake. We avoid all use of anything artificial or synthetic to ensure an all-natural product. We are licensed and inspected by the state of Utah to extract food-grade minerals from the Great Salt Lake. It is only after multiple factors are in complete harmony, when the minerals have reached peak concentration and balance, that the minerals are harvested at North Shore. We use dedicated tanks and trucks to transport the minerals to Mineral Resources International. Using dedicated tanks that transport only water and ionic minerals ensures superior quality and safety. Because it takes nearly 2 years for Great Salt Lake water to become our final product, it is important to have enough storage space for more than a whole year. Each one of those large tanks holds approximately 6,400 gallons, or 25,600 liters, enough to make 426,000 30-milliliter bottles. We have enough storage space in this facility and out of the lake to hold more than 4 times as much minerals as we have ever used in a year, and can add additional storage capacity as needed. Once bulk product is approved by the Quality Assurance Laboratory, it can be bottled or used as an ingredient in our many high-quality tablet formulas. For our liquid mineral products, liquid is pumped into the clean room through dedicated pipes that run under the building. The minerals are once again filtered. The liquid bottling room is a clean room which remains sanitized. In here, the bottles are placed on the line, filled and capped with an induction seal. We can run bottle sizes ranging from 15 milliliters to almost 2 liters. Mineral Resources International can run up to 40,000 bottles per day on 2 shifts depending on the product size. The product is labeled and then inked with a lot number and best sold by date. All of Mineral Resources International products feature a lot number and best sold by date in accordance with good manufacturing practice standards. Now product is ready to be shrink wrapped. It is air blown and then The shrink wrap is sealed, then shrunk. It is inspected again by quality personnel. All MRI employees are required to hold a food handler's permit. Mineral Resources International conducts periodic training by a certified teacher to ensure employees follow proper food safety and handling techniques. From there, the product is placed into boxes where it is re-examined and counted. Some samples are taken to MRI's Quality Assurance Lab for additional testing. Once product has been approved by the Quality Assurance team, it is boxed and signed by the one who boxed it. MRI's facility operates under CGMPs, or Current Good Manufacturing Practices, which follow strict guidelines governing the manufacture of nutritional products. In addition, MRI's minerals have recently achieved the designation of Generally Recognized as Safe, which is a certification from a panel of independent scientific experts who certify that our products are generally recognized as safe. No other mineral product from the Great Salt Lake has achieved this acclaimed designation. Our liquid minerals are also kosher certified from the Rabbinical Council of California and halal certified from the Islamic Food and Nutritional Council of America. Our manufacturing facility is regularly inspected by or governed by the Utah Department of Agriculture, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, and the U.S. FDA. Once the minerals have been harvested and transported to MRI, it is assigned a lot number. However, the minerals undergo several rounds of testing to ensure potency, purity, and safety for consumers. Unlike other nutritional supplement companies who outsource their mineral potency, purity, and safety testing, Mineral Resources International has its own in-house laboratory. This is one of the key areas that separates MRI from its competition. In addition to in-house testing, MRI utilizes independent laboratories, which follow good laboratory practices, to validate, verify, and supplement MRI's in-house tests. I'd like to take just a few moments to explain the extensive testing MRI's products undergo and what that means for our customers. First, our minerals are tested according to U.S. Environmental Protection Agency approved standards to ensure the absence of any possible environmental, industrial, or agricultural chemicals. Second, our minerals are tested in-house and independently for mineral potencies. Third, MRI's minerals are tested and pass the U.S. Food Chemical Code safety tests for heavy metals. Fourth, MRI has recently completed commissioned genotoxicity safety studies of its concentrated mineral drops, which show no genotoxicity in the Ames assay and mouse lymphoma assay. Genotoxicity assays are commonly conducted by pharmaceutical manufacturers, but are rare in the dietary supplement industry. And fifth, MRI performs several microbiological tests to ensure that its products meet specifications and are free from harmful bacteria. The Anderson family and MRI's 40 employees go to great lengths to produce the finest, all-natural quality mineral supplements from the Great Salt Lake. When we hear about lives changed and health restored, it's all worth it. This is our mission. We're serious about our products and your satisfaction. Our family's name stands behind our company and superior products. We hope this video has been enlightening to you and given you a better understanding of our operation. Thank you for visiting us here at Mineral Resources International, and thank you for your business.